camera.
20 seconds. 15.
10.
Wow.
5 seconds.
Woo!
Here. Whoa! There's Venus. Hey, it's over there. Let's to the left. Lower left. Wow. I think I missed all the Baileys.
I did. I totally did.
Wow.
Give me the headset in there.
Light? Got them already?
No, we didn't see it.
Oh, wow. Holy shit.
I don't think I've got it.
That's very cool.
I would get in your bracket now.
Go back to bracketing?
Yeah, start. You got 4 minutes now
Boy, it's crazy.
Wow.
Unbelievable. Oh, look at that.
See Jupiter and Venus.
Oh my God. Crazy. And there's a one to the left, big break.
3 minutes left. Wow.
Oh yeah, nice solar flare there.
You got one?
Yep.
Max Eclipse in 10 seconds.
Max in 10
Oh, I see the
seconds.
solar flare from here. Oh my God.
What?
I see the solar flare from here. My bare eyes. It's amazing.
Max Eclipse.
Observe the horizon.
Observe the horizon. Don't forget to look up.
Wow. You got that flare, Ted?
Oh yeah.
That is crazy.
Wow. Oh, the cloud. Yikes. Oh, look at the prom on the lower right, 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh Jesus, that's huge.
Oh, that's
That's what I'm talking about the whole time.
Bailey's Beach.
What?
With your own eyes, you can see it.
Yeah.
That is amazing. I'm so
1
glad I-
minute left.
Seriously? I feel robbed.
It's crazy.
Wow.
What's up, Texas?
Doing awesome. Well, they have time to go.
Yeah, go back to the high speed for Bailey's Beach. Just keep-
Your shirt's not looking different.
It isn't, is it? Well, it was,
That red one, can you see that red thing? I can see it with my bare eyes.
yeah, it looked like a North Circle.
30 seconds.
Third contact in 20 seconds. 15.
15.
10. Get your glasses. 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Get the glasses back on. Oh shit, that's right.
Plus 10 seconds.
Wow.
Replace camera filters.
Camera filters back on. Filters on.
Plus 25. Observe for shadow bands.
That was crazy.
Wow. I don't know if I got anything. I sure